Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Achilles Financial. Today I'm going to be talking about two key investment themes that I'm going to be looking at over the next month following the FOMC minutes today. The first of which is going to be the SPDR gold shares, or in general commodities, precious metals, primarily gold is what I'm going to be looking at. The idea behind this is not a $1 million play. This is something that I think that we're going to continue to have growth associated with. I made a video last week on my gold play. And what we're looking at here over the past 10 days, as you can see that we've steadily started climbing back up to higher than that 165, 166 range that it had kind of fallen into. The idea behind this is that gold is going to kind of be that protection against the inflation trade that we're going to be looking at. The reason why I'm looking at it in this form or this fashion is because I think that there is a lot of upside with the gold trade. Again, I'm really targeting that 170 to 175 range that we've kind of fallen off of from last month. And for that reason, I think it's short term. The idea here being that we have a significant amount of inflation notes and information coming from the European Commission for Economic Exchanges, or the ECB, as well as the European Central Bank, as well as the Federal Reserve and the FOMC minutes, which is the Federal Open Market Committee. Their minutes today came out of their meeting last month, and they are seeing increases in prices. And the idea that this inflation may not be transitory is kind of the approach here. I'm not going to go out and throw this idea that, hey, this is going to be 1980 style, but I do think that we have the upside potential here from that 170, still farther up again into 175. If we start seeing 175, I will start selling this position. But again, when we talk about adding here, I'm liking the momentum right here, but I do want to limit some of that setting. The other half of this is going to be oil. So again, we're staying in the commodities today. I am playing GUSH. This is a play that I made yesterday. It is included in the Discord, which is in the description down below. You can see the year-to-date movement. I said whenever it was touching $100 a share, I wanted to get out of it. Yesterday, I picked some call options at the $100 strike price. For August, I was picking that up. If you actually look at the 1 day, you can see that we fell to begin with, and then we started rising a bit. It was up early market. The idea behind here is OPEC is coming out tomorrow with additional information regarding supply, regarding demand, and I think what we're going to start seeing is just continued improvement associated with oil prices. In terms, I expect them to go up. GUSH is a leveraged ETF, so when it goes up, it will go up more. When it goes down, as you can see here, and really over the past 2 days, when it goes down, it will go down hard. So you just have to be aware. That's why I'm getting time on this options. And I'm glad to see that they have added a lot of options to the options chart. So it's no longer in increments of 5. You've got increments in 1 for all these near the money options. So again, the two ideas here is I'm looking at inflation and weaker dollar. Those both signal higher gold prices as well as higher oil prices, and that's really what I'm going to be looking at going forward. Particularly, all of this is happening when treasury yields have dropped pretty significantly. So what I'm discussing here today is sector and industry based trades, primarily focused on commodities, as opposed to the tech based trades where I have done some profit skimming over the course of the past week. So if you find this type of content helpful, please let me know by leaving a like and potentially subscribing. But I have walked through all these trades and I've discussed them in the Discord, which again is in the description down below. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, and thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.